So good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, I
Good
told
afternoon,
you
ma'am.
in the previous class, I told you related to the Declaration of Rights, rights of women. Okay, so one lady or one woman introduced or wrote it down the Declaration of Rights for women. Who is that person? Olympia de Gorgeous. Okay. Now she wrote it down so many rights for women. I want you people to tell that rights, whatever is written for women. Please, everyone, switch on your video. I feel that I'm talking to like blank. On, switch on your video fast. Yes.
Schooling was made
Woman is born
compulsory.
free.
Women, they are born free. So that is one right that is given. Okay. Any other right? Varada, can you tell? One right. It's there in your textbook. Page number
And
20, I
schooling
think.
was made.
Gandhi.
Schooling was made is not given in this. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Women was born free. That is one thing. Another one.
And the goal of all political association is the preservation of the natural rights of women and
Yeah,
men.
natural right of women. Then,
Ma'am, they
and
have
it,
to
yes.
right, liberty, property, security.
Yeah, they also say, they also should have liberty and ownership of property. Then, anything? Finished? More are there, right?
Ma'am, no woman is an
Oh,
exception.
sovereignty,
She is accused,
precisely.
arrested, and detained
Yes,
in
no
cases.
woman is an exception. That means if she has done any mistake, she will get the same punishment like how men are getting. Okay, so these are the few rights it is given, which she felt that it should be followed, and she sent that to Queen also. But what happened? She didn't respond to it, or she didn't listen to it, and at last what happened? She was guillotined. Okay, she was killed. Now, next one is about abolition of slavery. Okay, you might have heard about the slave system or the slavery. Alana, can you tell what do you mean by slavery or slave system? Alana. Alana, where are you? On your videos, everyone, fast. Devika, can you tell what do you mean by slavery?
I'm not sure.
What is it? Slavery, slave system. Have you heard about slave system?
Ma'am, last class I wasn't there.
Is it necessary that slavery for that you should be attending the last class?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Then, Varada, can you tell what do you mean by slavery? Slavery, slave system. You might have heard, right? Slave system. No, Varada, you don't know?
Ma'am, workers.
Wait. Dion, what about you? Do you know what is slavery?
Ma'am, workers,
Huh?
they work for others.
They work for others. Is
Ma'am, and
that
they're very lower caste people.
lower caste
Ma'am,
people?
people
Huh?
for working in
Yes, people,
fields.
they were bought and sold like goods. Okay, how we buy things from the market, like that, the people were bought and sold by some other people. That system, we call it as slave system. You might have heard, I felt you might have heard about it. Okay, slave, they are slaves of the owners. They are not getting any wages or salaries, nothing they will get. Okay, they are bought for money, so they have to work for the owners. They will not be given proper food, they will not be getting any salary or anything like that. They will be chained and kept all the time. They will be chained and kept because they should not run away. For that purpose, they will be chained and kept. Okay, so next we are going to see about abolition of slavery. Abolition of slavery in the sense slave system was there. Now France, you can see that they are abolishing that. What do you mean by abolishing?
Stopping.
Yeah, they are removing that. They are stopping that system in France. That is what you can see. You know that Jacobin regime, when they came to power, they stopped actually this slavery system. But again, you can see that because France and all that time, they had colonies. Okay, you know that Britain, France and all, they had colonies. India was a colony of which country?
Britain.
Britain. The same way, other European countries, they had many colonies during that time. And what happened that time? These French colonies, in the French colonies, they had these slavery or slave system was there. So when they were practicing this slave system, you know that it is against the freedom of the people. So what Jacobin regime did, what Jacobin government did, they abolished this slave system in from the French colonies. But again, you can see it is coming again. That let me tell you what it is first. So there are some colonies in Caribbean area. There are some colonies. I'll show you what is that, which area it is. Just 1 minute. I think the sound is not working, but you see hear that. Okay.
1993.
Is it working? Is it
Yes.
audible?
Sentenced
Yes,
to
sir.
guillotine by the National Convention. Another eminent lady in the history of the French Revolution who was guillotined in 1793 was Charlotte. 2 centuries. Even before the French Revolution,
Yeah, here you can see the location of the
across
Caribbean
generations,
countries.
was also responsible indigo and tobacco.
Now, from these places, the French people, they used to get sugar, then they used to get tobacco, then coffee. These are all coming under the plantation work. Okay, plantation you might have studied in 8th standard, I feel. Plantation, large estates will be taken and they will be doing the cultivation. So coffee, sugar, like tea, sugar, all those things. Then indigo was cultivated. Then these places mainly used for the cultivation of these items. Okay. Now, it had a huge demand in France and in Europe also. So what happened? They wanted to cultivate these things in these 3 places. That is, which are those 3 places? Dion, can you tell? What are those 3 places? Which I told you just now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Martinique,
Ah.
Guadeloupe, and
Guadeloupe
San Domingo.
San
San
Domingo.
Domingo.
Now here, you know that in that areas, the laborers were very less, in the sense the people to work in the plantations, it was very less. And these Europeans, you know, the distance, you can imagine Europe is on other side. Okay. So from Europe to come to this Caribbean island, it is very difficult to come to there and work there. And it is not much easy, economical for them. Money wise, if they see, they will not be having any much salary and all. So what happened? Europeans, they were reluctant to go to work there. So these are some of the points why this slavery system started. Okay. So here, yeah, the colonies of Caribbean, I told, the names I told, these reluctance of Europeans to go and work there. They don't want to work there in Caribbean area because it is very long for them. They have to go there and they have to shift their area, their place. They don't want to go there. So for that purpose, what they did, so this resulted in a shortage of labor. There were no labor to work in the plantation, in the plantations and all. So what they did to solve this problem, they started buying people from Africa, or they started going to Africa, and they wanted to get people. They started buying the people at cost there. Okay. Or they started buying, giving money. So like this, you can see they were engaged in buying and selling of people of Africa. So when they go to Africa, what they do, they will give money to the chieftains. There were some chieftains. Who is a chieftain here now? What do you mean by chieftain?
Ma'am, the head of a tribe.
Head of a tribe. Okay, so what they do here, they will go to the chieftain and they will give some money to the chieftain, and they will tell that send some people to for the plantation work. Okay, like that they used to tell and get people from Africa. You know that we call them in one term. What is that particular term? Have you heard? What do we call when we see an African? What do we call them? Do you know? Is it blacks? There is one term we are using.
Gross.
Yes, Negroes. Okay, but
Gross.
actually we are not supposed to call them as Negroes, it seems, because it is like it is a derogatory term for them. It is something that it is giving them a low status. So we are not supposed to use this particular term, it seems, Negroes. So this is actually banned not to use, or we are not supposed to use this in today's world. Okay, and you know, in India also we had some kind of names like that. Yes or no? We call one group of people as what? One group of low caste we call. So we call them as Shudras, or some terms we used to use. So that is, yeah, that is banned in our country, right? Can we call them like that now, nowadays?
No, ma'am.
No. So instead of that, we have put some other term. What is that? We are using some other term. What is that?
Rich or poor.
Rich or poor, is that? But we have to give them some reservation. For that purpose, we are putting one term.
SCs.
Yes, SC, ST. Okay. So like this, we are using some terms for describing them. Okay, listen to me now. Okay, so here what happened, these Africans, they were bought by these European people, Americans and all. Okay, so here you can see they are starting a triangular slave trade. Triangular slave trade in the sense, I'm sorry, triangular slave trade in the sense, they are bringing people, they are buying people from Africa, and they are buying it for money, and they will be bought to Europe, this plantation areas, and they are made to work there. Okay, so here you can see we call that particular trade as triangular slave trade. Why do we call it as triangular slave trade? Because Europeans, Africans, and America is involved in that. Because of that reason, we call it as triangular slave trade. Now, I told that they will go to these chieftains. They will buy people from there. What they will do? They will give some amount of money to this
Ma'am,
chieftain.
they are buying slaves from Europe also.
What is that?
Ma'am, they are buying slaves from Europe also.
They are buying slaves from Europe? No, they are buying from, these three are involved. Europe, Africa, America are involved. These European people and American people will be buying people from Africa. Okay, even to America, you might have heard that many black people are there. Many are brought there as slaves actually. Okay, so what they do, those who are settled in America and Europe, they will go to Africa and they will give some amount of money to chieftain. This chieftain will tell that, okay, you take this many people along with them. Like that, they will be selling. And in this, what happens when they are taking, it is given like somewhat 3 months long journey, it will be, it seems. Okay, 3 months long journey, you can imagine how long it is. And when these people are taken, they will be branded and they will be shackled. Shackled in the sense they will be chained and taken. Okay, branded in the sense what? What do you mean by branded? Have you heard about cattle branding? What is branding? Cattle branding, horses are branded. Have you heard about it?
No, ma'am.
Right.
No. What they do actually, you know, in India and all, they used to brand the horses, especially the kings. They used to brand royal horses, in the sense that those horses which are there with the palace or in the palace, that they will be branded. Branded in the sense, what they do, they will make a seal of royal seal. They will be making. They will put that in the in the fire. You know that when it will be very hot, they take it and keep it on the back of the horse, so that they all should know that this horse belong to palace. Okay, like that branding is done. The same way this was done to human beings during those days. Okay, human beings, you know that what they will do, the same thing. They will they will have a seal with them. They will make it hot and they will just put on the Negroes or African people during that time, so that everyone should know that this is a slave. Okay, or he is a slave. So even if he run away from this honor, others can find it and tell that he is a slave. So like that, you can see these sort of things were done, it seems, during those days. You imagine how it will be. Okay, at the same time they were shackled, in the sense they were chained, and they were bought like they used to bring like what is a cattles, how we pack them in the vehicle, like, right? The same way they used to pack these people, and they used to chain them, and they used to brand them, and they bring these people to these plantations for work. Now after bringing them to the plantation, what they do, they will sell this to the plantation owners. Now there were two ports during that time, Border and Nantes. So these two ports were famous for the slave trade, and you can see that they flourished because of this slave trade. Okay. Now one more thing, in the map which I sent you, the last page, did you see?
Black map.
In that, what is given? Ports which are famous for slave trade, some centers of revolt, like that it is given, right? With the
Yes.
different colors, so we will not be asking directly like mark Nantes, like that we will not tell. What we will tell, write a port name, we might have marked that, and you have to find it out. So when you are marking, use different shapes or different colors for marking that. Okay, so different questions are there. According to the question, you have to mark that particular map. It should be like that. Okay, directly we will not ask where is Paris, like that and all, we will not ask. It will be asked always indirectly. Okay, otherwise we might have marked that, and we will be asking, okay, center of revolt, like that we will be asking. Okay, so please do accordingly with different colors or different shapes you can use for different questions. Okay, now during that time, before Jacobins only I'm talking here. Now during that time, you can see the slavery system, it was flourished because everyone, they want to buy the slaves and make them to work in the plantation. Okay, now another thing related to that, I told that they want so many things from this Caribbean area, like sugar they want, coffee they want, indigo they want, all these things they want, because they wanted to use, or you can see the demand for these products were very high during that time. So that is why slave trade also flourished during that area.
Echo. As Europeans were reluctant to work in far-off lands, there was a shortage of labor at the plantations in these colonies. This led to the formation of a triangular slave trade, flourishing economically because of the slave trade.
Black people number increased, and they started revolting against the white people. Okay, so there was a rebellion. You can see the people ran away and they started living together, and they were known as morons or runaway people.
Frustrated by the treatment meted out to them, many slaves fled from their colonies and formed a community called the Maroons, or runaways. Foreseeing a rebellion in the French colonies of the Caribbean, the National Assembly Republic.
Oh, sorry. So during that time, what happened?
July
The National Assembly, they
role in the dispersal of written material such as newspapers, books,
The National Assembly,
Government.
they passed a law that whether they should give freedom. Not they passed, they thought of whether they should give some freedom to the people. This people, in the sense that the slaves in France, whether they should give freedom or not, they thought of, but they didn't give because they were afraid of these business people. Why they were afraid of business people? Business people, why it will affect the business people? Why is it so?
Can you repeat again?
Can you repeat it?
See, I told that slavery, they were thinking that why we should. See, French people, they are fighting for freedom, liberty, equality. At the same time, what are they doing? They are doing the slave trade, right?
Yes.
So, slave trade, whether they should stop it or not, they were thinking in the National Assembly. But they were afraid to take a decision, or they were afraid to remove the slavery because they were afraid of this businessman. Why? How it will affect the business people?
Ma'am, because they are
And
dependent
they'll
on them.
completely go
Yes.
down.
Depended on slave trade.
Slaves, because otherwise what will happen if slaves are not there? They will not be getting much money. So National Assembly, they were afraid of these business people. They didn't do anything. They felt, they kept quiet. Okay, there was no criticism against the slave trade. But later on, you can see that in the convention, when the convention came into power in 1794, what they did, they freed all the slaves who were there in the French colonies. Okay, so that is one thing they did regarding the convention. If you see, they removed or they abolished the slave trade in French colonies. So debates were there in National Assembly, but even then they did not pass any law regarding this because they were afraid of this business people. But convention, what they did when they came to power in 1794, they passed the law. According to that, they freed all the slaves here. But again, you can see when Napoleon came to power, he reintroduced the slavery and he continued the. So somewhat 10 years only they were free, but after that again they became slaves, or Napoleon reintroduced the slavery system. Finally, you can see in 1848, the slavery system was fully abolished from France. So these were the points related to abolition of slavery. It was there, but again, many people were against it, but even then they continued thinking of this business or economic situation of the people. Later on, at last, you can see it was finally abolished in 1848. So this is related to abolition of slavery. I want now you people to start your what is that, seminar. So please, first group can start.
Can you show the slide again?
Ma'am, can you show the slide?
Just 1 minute. Can you see? No. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Bode and Nantes, they were the important ports through which they used to do the slave trade. Okay. Little criticism in France, in the sense they were not criticizing the slavery system because they want to get the things from plantation. If there is no one, then they will not be able to get, and business people will not be able to get more money. They will not be able to make more money. So they were kept quiet. So later National Assembly, after that convention is coming, they freed the slaves, and you can see again Napoleon is reintroducing that. Then finally that is abolished in 1848. So this is about abolition of slavery. Okay, shall I stop? Stop sharing.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
then now you, who is starting first, you can. Adnan, right? Adnan. Is he present?
No,
Adnan? No. So Agna, what about Agna now?
ma'am, she is also not present.
Agna is also not present. Okay. Next, Akhila. Okay, who is the leader? Catherine is the leader, right? Catherine, you are the leader, right?
Yeah, I'm in group B.
Group
I'm the
B.
leader of.
Okay, Ashmit. Ashmit, just call out your students. That is better. Ashmit.
Schmidt is not there.
Ashmit was there, right? No? Ashmit also not there. Leader is missing.
Mom, he was there. Now he's not there.
Okay, okay. Then Ellen Joy. Ellen,
He's there.
Ellen, where are you?
Ma'am, his video is off.
Ellen Joy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't do because I'm using mobile. Why? Alana. Now everyone will say excuse or what like this.
Ma'am, Alana is with her group, right?
Alana is?
Ma'am, Alana is a group leader, so she'll be doing with her group, right?
No. I told. Okay, with her group. Okay, okay. Alina. Alina.
Yeah, video is.
What is this now? I have told you people to start. And why is it so now? Huh? Why is it? Why you
Ma'am, I
people
think
are,
Alina left.
so as I called your name, you people are leaving or what? What about Catherine, your group?
Ma'am, Alina John is the first person.
Alna? Alna?
Ma'am, Alina is absent.
Alna, but no. Now, next, Ansel is there? Ansel. And Leah.
Ma'am, Ansel is there.
Where is she then?
Ma'am, Alina is there.
Then why when I'm calling out, what is the difficulty? Alina, you have to do today, right?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, you can start.
Last class I was not there, so that I don't know.
What you don't know?
Seminar topic.
Is it I gave in the last period, last class? Alina's leader, Catherine or what?
No, Ashmit.
Ashmit is absent. What about Alan Joy? Alan Joy is having some problem, he is telling.
Ma'am, he's using mobile data.
But one or the other day he should do, right? When you can do, Alan, then? Huh? Alana, are you ready? No, Anlia, before that. Alana, what about Alana?
Ma'am, she's in the last group.
Ma'am, she's the group leader of that group.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Alana's group, who else is there? Maybe the last group or what?
Yes, ma'am, the last group.
Okay. Then Alina, Alna, Ansel, and Leah. What about Anlia? Can you?
Yes, ma'am. I am
Very
ready
good.
to do.
Very good. Start.
Ma'am, I also.
Who is that I also? Ansel, I called you so many times. Okay, then shall we do Ansel first? Your topic comes, then okay, you do, and Leah after that, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ansel.
Green Revolution.
What about the slides?
No, ma'am. I am using phone.
So you can't prepare any slides in that?
No, ma'am.
Many are preparing like that. Okay, let me see. Okay. Ansel.
The Green Revolution, or the Third Agricultural Revolution, occurred between 1950 and late 1960 that increased agricultural production with parts of the world. The key elements of the revolution includes using of the latest technology, the capital input, adoption of
Yes. Got stuck or what?
I think our video stuck.
Mm. Alina.
Fertilizers, pesticides, and treasures which made plowing and harvesting faster. Using of high-yield varieties of seeds, the farmers of Punjab, Haryana, and West Uttar Pradesh are the first to try out the modern farming method in India. The farmers in these regions set up tube wells for irrigation and made up of use HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides in farming. They were rewarded with high yield of wheat. When they were doing traditional variety, they got 1,300 kg per hectare. After changing modern farming, they get 3,200 kg per hectare. They were large and increased in the production of farming. Farmers now had greater amount of surplus when wheat to sell in the market.
Okay, what I felt that you have written down and it was like reading. Okay, so some sort of your lines and word explanation you can add. That will be better. Otherwise, writing down and reading that will not look good, right? So some sort of explanation you can give from your part. Okay, Ansel.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, one more person, Anlia.
Ma'am, Prarthana will be showing my PPT. I can't share screen.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am, can I share the screen?
Ellen, you can do it in the next class. Yeah, you can. Sure. Pratana, you can share.
Ma'am, can you see the slide?
Yes, yes.
Good afternoon. Today I'm going to take seminar on the chapter, The Story of Village Palampur. And the first question is, what is the difference between multiple cropping and modern farming method? Multiple cropping. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. It is the most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. Modern farming methods. Some farmers of Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh use HYV seeds, tube wells for irrigation, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides, as well as machinery like tractors and threshers to increase production. All these measures
Okay, just 1 minute. And Leah, just 1 minute. Shall we continue in the next class? Because
okay,
it's time now. It's time now. Okay. I will be asking in the next period. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
attendance.
Okay, I'll just call out the names. Adnan absent, Agnan absent, Akhila absent, Ellen Joy present, Alana present, Alina,
Present, ma'am.
Alna
Absent.
absent, Ansel present, Anlia present, Ashmit Ashmit absent. Ayman, I saw, I felt. Is he present? Just check.
No, ma'am.
No. Devika,
Present, ma'am.
Catherine,
Present, ma'am.
Christo, no, absent. Dion, Abhinav, Evelyn,
Present, ma'am.
Shaza,
Present, ma'am.
Gopi Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Harsh.
Mama Bina is present.
Yeah, put Harsh, absent. Jeevan,
Absent.
Jeff,
Present, ma'am.
Gino, Joseph. Gino is present or not? Just check.
Present, ma'am. Joseph is present.
Joseph present. Gino absent. Krishnaveni,
Present, ma'am.
Mithun,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal, Neema,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Abhishek, Asin. Abhishek, just check. Asin is
Present, ma'am.
present.
Present,
Abhishek
ma'am.
is present. Alia,
Present, ma'am.
Prarthana present. Rolga, absent. Rudra,
Present, ma'am.
Sachin, absent. Safa,
I'm absent.
Absent. Salim. Present. Sarhad. Sarhad.
Ma'am,
Shankari.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivanya present.
Present.
Shivanand. Shivanand
Ma'am, absent.
absent. Steve.
Ma'am.
Surya Narayanan absent. Thomas Chaco.
Present, ma'am.
Tia absent. Varada.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinayak absent. You absent. Today absentees are more, I feel. Yes. Who? Asana I marked.
Zaiba.
Zaiba present. I have marked. Okay then. Bye all. Thank you.